Students, we are going to discuss regarding computer, information technology, digital way of learning that we are going to discuss. So let's have a look regarding what is information. Information is a data process for some purpose. So if you are gathering the data for information, that should be processed. Information can only be considered to be real info if it meets certain criteria. That is, it must be communicated to the recipient, it must be in a language that is understood, it must be in a suitable form. So, whenever you are collecting the information, you must need computer for digital way of maintaining the records. It must be relevant for achieving some purpose. So, information is any form of communication that provides understandable and usable knowledge for the person receiving it. Now, let's have a look. We are talking about computer. So, what is computer? Communication-oriented machine purposely utilized for technical education research, a scholarly article. Can we say like that way? Or we can say computer is an electronic machine which input the data, process the data and gives output of the data. So it's a general purpose machine, programmable device that is used for the production and processing of information. And it is also capable of calculating and storing result. I think you all know that computer is invented for calculation, but nowadays we are using it in a different criteria. Now, what do we mean by general purpose? Actually, we have seen at our home, office, in school, organization, every place, the device that described by their function. Say, for example, washing machine, DVD player. However, can be used for almost any purpose. Which one? That is computer. That can be used for typewriter, video editor, account tracker, database, address book, DVD, CD player and etc. So, computer has huge number of use. Computer are programmable. The main benefit of computer nowadays, fourth generation of computer. Nowadays in organization or many of the factories, they are using computer, that is machine and robot. So that machine will be programmed by the computer programmer, so it will be handled easily, and manufacturing or production of the product will be remain. Computer respond to instruction in the form of programs. So whatever the instruction we write means the programming is a way to write the programs. Means you must have to learn programming language. If you know programming language, you can give instruction to the machine. There are different languages are there, C, C++, Java, Python. So this all are the languages through which we can communicate with machine. Programs are written in order to make computer behave in a specific way. We all have used word processor, that is Microsoft Word, or you can say WordPad. And system control. You can take the example of operating system. Operating system is also one type of system software. And we all know application softwares. So they all are programmed by the programmer. Programs are stored in a computer memory. So first of all, you must know that how much RAM and hard disk you have. So you know about this thing, how we can collect the information about this, that how much memory and RAM you have. So that you must be clear. So every PC, if you get right click on the properties, you will get the information regarding how RAM, hard disk, processor. Okay, so this all are the things you must know. How computer process information means you are writing the data, you are typing using the keyboard. That data will be stored temporarily in RAM, random access memory. After saving the data, it will be saved in a permanent storage device, that is hard disk, pen drive. So now the main topic is how computer process information, how it access the data. So let's take an example. Whatever you write using the keyboard or mouse, that is input device. Even the mic is also input device for machine. So computer accept input, that is data. The input is translated into binary numbers because machine only understood either 0 and 1, that is binary language. So it will be processed. Process output will be seen on the monitor screen, that is information. So binary language again converted into human readable language. This sequence can repeat endlessly, output can be input. We can think of computer as black box. Input, process, output. Input, so whatever the value you input, either a numeric value or any of the characters or symbols or any of the paragraph, that will be processed in a binary language, converted into binary language. Then again output will be seen in a human readable language. So input, process and output. So finally you will get the output in a human readable form. Components of a computer system. Computer systems are made up of hardware, software, the human being, the brains behind the whole system. So you can consider human parts body. Hardware, you can say hands, legs, this all are the human parts of the body. Same way hardware, the physical parts are monitor, keyboard, mouse, projector, printer. You have seen the thing which you can touch and see, that is hardware. And software, you cannot able to touch. The instruction or program that controls the hardware. Means as we are giving instruction from our mind to the parts of the body, same way software will give the instruction to the hardware. According to that, hardware will work. And this all behind our brain is work. Types of computer. Mainframe computer, that will be used as a supercomputer, which has a huge number of processors and maximum number of RAM and hard disk. Mini computer that we are using, personal computer, laptop, network, computer, server. So this all are the information regarding logical. So whatever the code you have written, that will be stored as a program, then CPU will process it and finally it will be as an output or input. Computer hardware components, keyboard, monitor, mouse that we have discussed, printer, modem, multimedia device, this all are the PC system. All the hardwares are there. System unit. Okay, so this we have collect the information. The processor, CPU, which you are using, memory. Computer must be able to store in calculation and program. Two types of memory, volatile and permanent. So whatever will be, data will be measured in terms of bits, that is 0 and 1, and this 8 bits combine into 8 bytes. RAM, random access memory. So whatever you type or whatever click, that will be any of the software you open, that will be open in the RAM, and whatever the document you have opened, whatever you have typed, that will be saved. Then and only then if you save it into the permanent storage device. Volatile contents are erased if power is cut. Means RAM, whatever you return, that will be lost if computer is hanged or stopped. So you must have to save your data into the permanent storage device, either hard disk, pen drive or DVD drive. And RAM is faster than permanent storage, that is hard disk. Not to be confused with ROM, that is totally different. Now hard disk, permanent storage device, store all program and data information larger than the RAM. Hard disk is slower than RAM. Other storage device, floppy